Hey everyone, Curtis Wells of Southland Kia here, showing you a beautiful 2017 Toyota RAV4 SRS. 7-passenger. Tons of room for you and the family. Leather interior. Charging back here for the kids. Sunroof. This thing is in great shape. Come over here to the driver's seat. Got all your power options. Power heated front seats with lumbar support. Power mirrors. Navigation, Bluetooth, USB ports. 4-wheel drive. And only 49,000 kilometers. So yeah, if you're interested, swing by the store on Trans-Canada Way. You can call us at 403-526-2275. Let's see if we can't get you this beautiful vehicle. Have a good day.